archive post on Facebook. Okay, remember to watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistake. And please, if you find this video helpful, just give me a like for the algorithm. Okay, let's get started without wasting so much time. Okay, click on the Facebook application. Then this is my profile. Just refresh the Facebook application like this. Then you'll want to click on your profile picture. Okay, then you will click the name on your profile here. My name here is Wycliffe Ochieng. I'll be very keen to follow every step, okay, so don't make any mistake. As I've mentioned earlier on, click on the name. Then the next thing you want to do is click on these three dots here. By clicking on the three dots, you will see place for archive. Just locate it somewhere here. Okay, this one. Then the archive post will appear here, so you can able to delete them or restore the post. Okay, thank you guys. Let's meet in the next video. Can remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips on Facebook and other social media platforms. Thank you guys.